Now one more important drugs which comes under this class, prilocaine. Which one? Prilocaine. Now again, prilocaine again, it is an example of what? Acetanilide. So first we will draw the structure of acetanilide. This is your NHC double bond O CH2. Okay, and here comes your N-phenyl. This is the basic skeleton of acetanilide. But in prilocaine, what is there? So pri means pro means 3. So there is 3 number species. So what is this 3 number species? So let's find out. In prilocaine, here is the methyl group. Methyl group of this position is not present in this drug, but here there are slight changes. What are those changes? On this methyl group, one hydrogen is replaced by one methyl group. So you can memorize that the methyl group which is absent here is shifted from this position to this position. So here is the methyl group. Now again, the name of drug is Prilo. So here comes again another chain. Here is your NH, and on this NH there is 3 carbon species, CH2 whole thrice CH3. So this is your CH2 2. So 2 carbon and 1 carbon 3. So this is your propyne, 3 carbon species. That's why its name is prilocaine. And the one changes is here is that the extra methyl group which is present in xylocaine over here, that extra methyl group shifted from this position to this position. That's it. Rest is same in this both drug. So this is your prilocaine. Now there is another important drug which comes under this class is acetanilide, is etidocaine. Again this drug comes under the class PABA, para amino benzoic acid. Comes under the class acetanilide. So acetanilide is nothing but again N-phenyl acetamide. So this is your basic skeleton, N-phenyl acetamide. But in etidocaine, what are the other functional group? So this phenyl group again becomes xylene. This is the chain. Then there is another chain. In this carbon, one hydrogen is replaced by C2H5 ethyl group, and again here are the changes. Again here comes your amine group, and on this amine group here present your CH2 CH3 means propyl ring, and here comes your C2H5 ethyl. So this is the structure of etidocaine. So E means what? E means nothing but ethyl. two ethyl groups. That's why its name is etidocane. So here completes your class number 3rd. Now we will move on to the class number 4. Class number 4 is amide. Class number 4 is amides. So what are the examples of drugs which comes under this class? So the best example is mepivacaine. Mepivacaine. So mepivacaine comes under the class amides. So first of all, we will see the structure of mepivacaine, but mepivacaine comes under the class amides. So amides have general formula RCO NH2. This is the general formula of amides. So now see how the structure of drugs looks like. Mepivacaine. Again, here is your phenyl group. This phenyl group is attached to NH C double bond O O. Now you will see RCONH. So this is your amide. Now what is R? What is R? So R here is nothing but a piperidine ring. N-methyl piperidine, and this phenyl rings becomes xylene. CH3 CH3. So RCONH2 amide. This is your amide, mepivacaine. Now there is another example, another good example, bupivacaine. Which one? Bupivacaine. So what is the structure of bupivacaine? So bupivacaine means, again there are bu means 4 number species is there. So what is that 4 number? So bupivacaine, again it's a drug of class amide. So let's draw the structure of amide. NH C double bond O dash. Now again on this amine group there is a phenyl ring with 2 methyl group, so becomes xylene. Now what is present here? So the same here, again a piperidine group is present over here, but there is slight changes as the name is butyl. So here your 4 carbon species, CH2 whole thrice CH3. This is the structure of your bupivacaine. So this completes your class number 4. Now next class is your class number 5th. Class number 5th is your quinoline derivative. Class number 5th is what? Quinoline derivative. And what is the structure of quinoline? It is already covered in previous lecture, previous 3rd lecture. So those who are new to this video, they can watch the previous lecture. Structure of various heterocyclic rings I have covered already there. Now quinoline derivative. The example of drugs which comes under this class quinoline derivative is dibucane. Dibucane. Now let's draw the structure. First, it's a quinoline derivative. So first we will draw the structure of quinoline. This is your quinoline ring. Okay. Now dibucane. Di means 2. Bu means 4. So 2, 4. 2, 4 means what are those 2, 4? So let's see the 2, 4 species. First one, on this position, oxygen, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is what? First butyl group, 4 carbon group. 4 carbon group. So 1 butyl. Now where is your second butyl? So on this fourth position, C double bond O, then comes NH, then comes your same CH2, CH2, NH plus. Then the famous characteristic group C2H5, C2H5. So dibu means 2 butyl. So 1 butyl is this, and second butyl is nothing but not butyl, but this 2 carbon and this 2 and 2, 6 carbon. So dibu means there are 4 carbon species. So 1 4 carbon species is present over here, and 4 more carbon species, diethyl group, are present on this nitrogen. So this is your dibucane. Now the next and last class of this drug is your miscellaneous agent, class number 6. Class number 6 is what? Miscellaneous agent. And what are the example of drugs which comes under this class? So the best example is phenacane. Which one? Phenacane. What is the structure of phenacane? So let's draw the structure of phenacane. So you have to mug up this structure. There is no correlation between its class and its structure. So first of all, draw this phenyl group, one phenyl group, and under below this draw another second phenyl group. Okay, on the fourth position of both this phenyl group, draw a ethoxy group, C2H5, C2H5. Now on the opposite side, draw an amine group, NH, and here you draw only nitrogen. Now attach this nitrogen via single bond and this nitrogen via double bond to a carbon, and on this carbon is present your methyl group. So this is your phenacane. Now there is another drug, another example, diperodone. Another drug, diperodone. So what is the structure of diperodone? So diperodone have following structure. Diperodone have following structure. Draw again two benzene ring, this one, and here you draw NH, here you draw again NH. Now this NH is directly linked to C double bond O. This NH is directly linked to C double bond O. Then this again linked to oxygen. Now this oxygen is directly linked to carbon. This is directly linked to carbon. This oxygen is directly attached to this carbon. Now there is another carbon over here, CH2, and this carbon is directly linked to NH plus. So this is the example of your dipyridine. This is what? Dipyridine. And there are some other class of drugs which comes under this miscellaneous agent is clove oil, benzyl alcohol, and propanediol. These are also comes under this class. So here it finishes your classification of local anesthetic. Next we will see the synthesis of important drugs of drugs which comes under this local anesthetic and their SAR. Thank you.